Dang it, you're button mashing again!
You know what, Carl? I just won.
You know what? We're taking this outside.
Fine, we'll take it outside.
Now, where's my ninja suit? Your button mashing has been going on for too long. This ends now.
You know what? You think you're so good at the beginning, but now it's time to leave you a lesson.
Why would you do that? Why? Why?
Well, I knew you were gonna bring a sword, so I decided to bring a gun.
My sword's plastic!
Oh. Well, the moral of the story is, never bring a sword to a gunfight.
What? What do you mean about never bringing a sword to a gunfight? I didn't even use the sword and I got shot in the leg.
Well, hey guys, I'm heading out now.
Whoa, who are you?
I'm your roommate.
Chuckles. Oh yeah, forgot you existed.
Can you please leave? We're filming a video.
Oh, alright, well sorry. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you've enjoyed.